Hey, boys and girls. Look who's sleeping right beside me on the couch. I'm in the basement. I'm going to do my video while he's sleeping. So let's do some sight words first. Can you read that word? Lickety-split. How? What? Are? Were? I'm? Has? Build? Girl? Are you beating me? Boy? Says? Was? There? Oh, no. And why. Good. All right, let's do our part 13. I'm just going to flip the cards. And now we can start. Ready? F-U-L, full and beautiful. A-R-E, air and care. T-A-I-N, 10 in mountain. U-R-E, ewer in pure. T-U-R-E, chur in pasture. W-A-R, war in warm. T-I-O-N, shun in nation. S-I-O-N, shun in missionary. S-I-O-N, jeune in television. E-I-G-H-A in 8. O-R, in sailor. A-R, in dollar. Y says in crystal. Last one. E-R-R, air in cherry. Good job. Now we're going to do the orange, blue, and yellow cards. Lickety-split really fast. Ready? Remember the ghost letters? I. On the orange chart, AR says R. O, in book. O, oo, in tooth. I-R, U-R, good for you. T-H-R, thir. O-R, or. A-L-L, all. O-Y, oy. A-L-K, awk. The A sounds like short O, doesn't it? And the L is silent. Awk. Now let's do the two O-W sounds. What's the surprise sound? Oh. And how about the pinch sound? Ow. And on the orange chart, CH says ch. O-I, oy. W-O-R, were. E-R, O-U, ow. Now I'll just show you the sound and you say it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Skr. Spur. Spull. Sm. Burr. Sn. Sk. Gur. Purr. Swa. Twa. Sp. Sp. Cur. Der. Be careful, that's a D because the circle comes first. Sl. Stir. Squa. Sk. Sk. What does O say on the yellow chart? Oh, like in go. St. Tur. Bull. K. Remember the cookie letters? C, K, K. come after a short vowel. Sh. Full. Coal. Fur. Y says I, like in fly. Gull. E says E. What's the quiet sound for TH? And what's the noisy sound for TH? Good job. Pull. And AYA, like in pray. Good job. Okay, let's go right to our seat work. So let's see, on the front, you're looking for the word keys. Circle all the word keys in the words and write the number. So let's practice the word keys. ARR, ER, UR, IR, OR, OO, and then UE can say ooh, like the scary letters, or it can say you, its own name. Okay, so remember you're circling the word keys that you find. Write how many you find and then read the word. Mark. Mrs. Card will mark our work. Here you're matching two words to make a compound word, and then make sure that you match a compound word to each picture. Okay, on the back, you're going to write a question sentence about clocks. Start your sentence with a question word, followed by a plural noun. End with a question mark. So choose a question word. What? Why, how, where, who. And you'll be careful not to spell those wrong because they're right there on your page. Okay? And remember that you have to start your question word with a capital because it's the first word in the sentence. Don't forget, you can choose from the action words that Mrs. Card's given you. T, ick, tick, t, ok, talk, ing says ing, ring, sit, st, and stand. Did you notice, boys and girls, that all of the words we've learned from our word wall are right here on your page so that you don't need to spell words like come wrong? I saw in somebody's paper they spelled it C-U-M. No, we know that word. And it's in our sight word dictionary. So any word up here we can look at to figure out how to spell it. Okay, so no mistakes are allowed when you're copying words from the word wall or the sight word wall. Okay, so you're going to, here's an example of a question about clocks. Why do clocks ring? Notice the question word. Notice that they started with a capital and they ended with a question mark. So don't use that as your example, okay? You make up your own sentence. Now something new. We're working on punctuation and capitalization. All sentences begin with a capital letter. New. The word I is always capitalized. It doesn't matter where it comes in the sentence, boys and girls. Even if it's in the middle, it still gets a capital. New. Question sentences end in a question mark. Instructions. Read the sentences below. Circle the missing capital letters. Put an exclamation mark, question mark, or a period at the end of the sentence. So we're going to be listening for all different kinds of sentences. Number 1, why do bees sting? And we know that why has to have a capital because it's the first word in the sentence. And this is asking a question, isn't it? Why do bees sting? So it needs a question mark. Do you remember how to make a question mark? A backwards C, line down with a dot underneath. You're only going to write one, aren't you? Mrs. Cart did 2 to practice. Number 2, run for your life. Do you think I read that correctly? No, not at all. That is a sentence that is trying to show strong emotion. Run for your life. So right away, you know, you need to put an exclamation mark on the end of that. But don't forget, first word in the sentence also gets a capital. Number 3, I like to jump up and down. Okay, what gets a capital? The first word in the sentence, and it happens to be I. Okay, and what would I put at the end of that? I like to jump up and down. Would I put a question mark? Am I asking? I like to jump up and down? Am I trying to show strong emotion? I like to jump up and down. Or am I just telling you, I like to jump up and down? What would be the best choice? I would say it's a telling sentence. I'm telling you I like to jump up and down. Okay. Now, we've done the first 3 together. So you do those on your seat work, and then I want you to do the bottom 2 by yourself. Okay? Good job, boys and girls. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.